This video tutorial I will explain what is Central Processing Unit or CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It is one of the most important parts because it does all the thinking and processing for the computer. Without a CPU, the computer cannot perform any task. What does the CPU do? First point is processes instructions. The CPU follow instructions from programs and the operating system. Example of operating systems are Windows or Mac OS. For example, when you open a browser or play the game, the CPU processes the instruction to make it work. Second point is performs calculations. The CPU does all the math and logical operations needed to run the programs. Example, if you add numbers in the spreadsheet, the CPU does all the calculations. Third point is manages data. The CPU moves the data between different parts of the computer, like RAM and storage. For example, when you save the file, the CPU sends the data to the storage drive. How does the CPU work? The CPU fetches the instruction from the computer's memory. The CPU decodes the instruction to understand what needs to be done. The CPU executes the instruction by performing the required task. Finally, CPU stores the result back in memory or sends them back to the output device, like the monitor. This process happens billions of times per second, making the CPU incredibly fast and efficient. What are the key features of CPU? First point is cores. Modern CPUs have multiple cores, like having multiple brains. For example, a dual core CPU has 2 cores, a quad core CPU has 4 cores, and so on. More cores allow the CPU to handle multiple tasks at once. Next point is clock speed. Clock speed is measured in gigahertz. This tells you how fast the CPU can process the instructions. For example, CPU with clock speed of 3.5 GHz is faster than one with 2.0 GHz. Next point is hash. Hash is a small amount of super fast memory inside the CPU. It stores frequently used data so the CPU can access it quickly. Next point is threads. Some CPU support multi-threading, which allows each core to handle multiple tasks at once. For example, quad-core CPU with multi-threading can handle 8 tasks simultaneously. Why CPU is important? First point is performance. A faster CPU means your computer can run programs more quickly and smoothly. Second point is multitasking. The CPU with more cores and threads can handle multiple tasks at once, like browsing the web while listening to the music. Third point is gaming and editing. A powerful CPU is essential for gaming and video editing and other demanding tasks. CPU brands examples are Intel and AMD. Popular series of Intel are Core i3, Core i5, Core i7 and Core i9. Popular series of AMD are Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7 and Ryzen 9. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.